Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. So in the previous video we have discussed about colors in details. In this video we will see what are floating elements in CSS and how we can use them in our web page and what effect does the floating elements made on our web page. So if you want to see any blog regarding my videos, so you can check my website and you can also find the source codes regarding my videos. So let's jump to our code editor. So you will be thinking what the floating will do. So suppose we have two sections in our page like this, and what if you want to move this section from left to right, or what if you want to move these two sections together, or what if you want to move this the right section to left or left section to right. So how we can do that in HTML? So for doing that we use float element or floating element. So let me just change the width of these two sections a little bit more. So the text had moved a little bit down because I had specified the height of the text of the section. So this is better now. So let me also change the color because it is very dark. So that's better now. So what if you want to move this section to right side of the page? So for that we use float and then right. So you can see that the section had moved towards the right side of the page. So if you want to move it on the left side, just write left. So then the section will be moved towards left side. So just like the same, but if you want to move this section, just write float again and write right side. So you can see that the section had moved towards the right side. So what if you want to move it towards left too? So just simply write left over here. So you can see that this is how our sections look like. So floating is a very powerful thing and it has a lot of benefits while designing full pages and beautiful websites. So as we had seen floating and how we can use floating in our web pages, there is one more thing I want to show you in this video. This is called positioning. So the difference between floating and positioning is that so that we can position our section according to our needs and more precisely. So as in floating we just float the section left or right, but in positioning we can move our section upside, downside, left, right, anywhere and more precisely. So let me show you how we can do that. So just move the float element. So there are many kinds of positioning available. So the most used type of positioning is relative positioning. So I will show you how to use relative positioning in this video, and you can check the remaining positioning types on the Google or any other website. So to use the positioning we write position and then the type of position, which is relative. So this thing don't make any changes to our web page. So you can see that it doesn't make any change or any difference to our web page, but if you want to move the division left side or a section on the left side, just write left, and the pixels you want to move on the left side. So this will move 200 pixels on the right side. So you can also move it on the downside by giving it top. So you can see that, and we can also move it on the left side. So to move it on the left side, we only place a minus sign over here. So you can see that, so it had moved towards left side. It's over here. So this is how we use positioning in our web page. So this is all for this video. If you want to see the blogs, kindly check my website, and if you have any suggestions, kindly comment below. Thank you.